No, no. You know what they're doing? It is 9:30. 5/1. It's May the 1st. This year is flying by. May 1st, 2018. And that's the sun. I got the real sun coming up this morning. With the full moon in the sky. Biggest day. I mean, look at that big cloud. There's a bunch of devices in there. I have some very good pictures showing the actual devices of the sun simulator. It's so obvious, even a legally blind person could see the machinery of it. I guess I will put it on a slideshow. Looks like a man up there, huh? Look at the little dot to the side of it. Is it gonna move it? Yes, ma'am. Kinger's in there. You didn't cancel her? Yeah, she's gonna be in there. Oh, he's not here yet? Right, so yeah. So Monica can't leave till he gets here. Y'all call him.
He said 9 o'clock he was gonna be here. He told me don't take nothing out that car. I'm glad they got counts. Because that lady told me to take my yard down. She told me to park it over there and they can see my car. But somebody had wrote wash me or something in the back of my car, but I thought I ain't got it. And it happened right here. Yeah. I'm glad too. Sick of that pen. And then nobody want to sit with it. Nobody but Dad. King ain't here. What time King is here? King is here. Well, come here.
Kinger's here.
Yes, she is.